Good morning, children. శుభోదయం పిల్లలు. అంగన్వాడీ విద్య ఏటి అంశం 1 2 buckle my shoe. English right. Number right. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 shut the door. 3 4 shut the door. 5 6 pick up the sticks. 5 6 pick up the sticks. 7 8 lay them straight.